Hi everybody, this is Amelia with the Ellenville Public Library Museum. Happy Hug Your Cat Day. So today's craft with me will be making a cute little origami cat which can actually stand up on its own. So to make this cat, you're going to need two square pieces of paper that have a front and back with different patterns. Now, I'm actually using scrapbooking paper, which is basically cardstock. For this one, usually I wouldn't recommend using cardstock for an origami project, but this one is a little bit different. I find that using the cardstock makes it easier for it to stand up and for things to stay, but you can use whatever paper you have on hand. What I would definitely recommend is that at least one side of your paper is colored. This creates this cute little nose here. So first we're going to start by making the cat's head. So first, please fold your origami diagonally. So your paper should go diagonally like this to make a nice crease. I would put the side that you want to show as the main color of the head down on the table. So once we fold it this way, we're going to go ahead and fold it the other way. Creasing and opening it back up. Now turn it so that the point is facing you and fold the point to this line, the very center of your paper, like so. With that done, take this line and just fold it right over. Okay. Next, we are going to take these and fold them on this line. Since mine is cardstock, it's going to be a lot harder to crease. You usually don't have to push this hard. Okay. So now we're going to take this and fold it up. This is going to make our ears. So you can adjust them in whichever direction you want. And then take this point sticking up and fold it down towards the center of the head. Okay. Next, flip it over. Take this part and fold it up. Crease it. And then fold just a little piece down for the nose. And here is our cat head. Next, we're going to make the cat body. Take another piece of paper of the same color, and once again, you want the color side facing down. First, you're going to want to crease it diagonally one time and open it up. Next, like you would for a paper airplane, you are going to fold up along this crease. There we go. And then we're going to fold that in half. Next, we're going to take this piece and fold it over the other piece, just like this. And we're going to crease it. Next, we're going to take this piece and fold it over this piece and crease it. Open it up and make sure that that crease is really there because it's important. Okay, next, take your finger and place it into this pocket. and then down. Fold up. Like so. And then in half. Oops. I'm just gonna adjust this a little bit. There we go. And there we have your cat's body. Place the head on the body. And there we have a cute little origami kitty cat. Alright, thank you all for joining me today. If you have a cat, give one a hug for me. My own cat is sitting under the table as we do this video. As always, please stay safe, stay healthy, and be good to each other. I'll see you all next time. Bye!